Edaravone, also known as Radicava, is a medication used to treat a specific nerve disease called amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, also known as Lou Gehrig's disease. It is designed to slow down the progression of the disease, although it is not a cure and does not reverse nerve damage or muscle weakness. The Radicava Ors starter kit suspension comes in a concentration of 105 mg per 5 ml and is taken orally. It works as an antioxidant to help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. The recommended dosage for Radicava is 60 mg administered intravenously over a 60-minute period. It is given as a 14-day treatment cycle followed by a 14-day drug-free period. It is important to follow the dosing schedule as directed by your healthcare provider. It is best to take Radicava at the same time each day. If you miss a dose, it is important to contact your healthcare provider for further instructions. It is important to continue taking Radicava even if you feel well, as it is helping to slow down the progression of ALS. Before starting to use Radicava Ors starter kit suspension 105 mg per 5 ml oral amyotrophic lateral sclerosis agents, antioxidants, make sure to read the patient information leaflet and instructions for use from your pharmacist. Always consult with your doctor or pharmacist if you have any questions. Take this medication by mouth or through a feeding tube on an empty stomach as directed by your doctor. It's usually taken in the morning after not eating overnight. After taking the medication, do not eat or drink, except for water, for at least 1 hour. During the first treatment cycle, this medication is usually taken once daily for 14 days, followed by no Edaravone for 14 days. After that, each treatment cycle is usually scheduled as Edaravone taken once daily for 10 days out of a 14-day period, followed by no Edaravone for 14 days. Be sure to follow your doctor's instructions carefully on how to use this medication. Remember to shake the medication well before using, and carefully measure the medication using the provided dose measuring syringe. It's important to use this medication regularly to get the most benefit from it. To help you remember, mark the days on the calendar when you need to take this medication, and use it at the same time of day each day that you are scheduled to take it. Some possible side effects of taking Radicava Ors starter kit suspension 105 mg per 5 ml oral amyotrophic lateral sclerosis agents, antioxidants include bruising, problems walking, tiredness, or headache. If you experience any of these effects and they persist or worsen, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist right away. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. In fact, many people who use this medication do not experience any serious side effects. While it's rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this drug can occur. If you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help immediately. It's also vital to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects not mentioned, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. As for reporting side effects, in the US you can call your doctor for medical advice, or you may report side effects to FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice, or report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before starting Radicava Ors starter kit suspension, it's important to discuss any allergies you may have with your doctor or pharmacist. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues, so it's important to be aware of any potential risks. It's also important to let your doctor or pharmacist know about your medical history, especially if you have asthma. If you are planning to have surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the medications and products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, it's important to weigh the risks and benefits of using this medication with your doctor. It's also uncertain whether this medication passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before breastfeeding. As always, it's crucial to follow your doctor's recommendations and guidance when using this medication. When taking Radicava Ors starter kit suspension, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could impact how the medication works or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's crucial to keep a comprehensive list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this information with your doctor and pharmacist. It's important to always seek your doctor's approval before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medications. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Radicava Ors Starter Kit Suspension. If you suspect an overdose or experience severe symptoms such as passing out or difficulty breathing, seek immediate medical attention by calling 911 or your local poison control center. For U.S. residents, the number for the local poison control center is 1-800-222-1222, and for Canadian residents, they can call a provincial poison control center. It's important not to share this medication with others as it is specifically prescribed for the treatment of amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. Your doctor may also conduct lab and/or medical tests while you are using this medication, so it's important to keep all scheduled medical and lab appointments. This will help ensure that you are receiving the proper care and monitoring while taking Radicava Ors Starter Kit Suspension. If you forget to take a dose, just wait until your next scheduled dose. Don't take extra medicine to make up for the missed dose. Be sure to store the Radicava Ors Starter Kit Suspension upright at room temperature and away from light. Once you open the bottle, make sure to use it within 15 days, or within 30 days from the date of shipment, whichever comes first. It's important to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of the medication, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Make sure to properly discard the product once it has expired or is no longer needed. If you have any questions about how to dispose of the medication, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.